Hi, this is Brian with House of Magnets, and I'm here today to show you how you can quickly personalize your calendars within our online editor. This is going to be the fastest turnaround time for you, help you avoid art fees, give you real-time proofing, and allow you to save your assets for future ordering. So let's dive right in. The first thing I typically recommend is that we log in. So if you are a returning customer, this will basically give you access to all of your previously uploaded headshots and logos, etc. And even if you aren't a returning customer, this will allow you to save any of your products into the cart and allow you to, pause, come back, and they'll still be there waiting for you the next time you're logged in. So let me go ahead and get this going. All right, so now that I'm logged in, you can see my account. I'm going to go right into calendars. So here are the three main categories within calendars. We have our full magnets, our tear-off pad magnets, and our partial magnets. You got two options that are year at a glance, and one that's going to be month to month and allow you to tear off each month as you go along. There's other videos that'll help you select the right calendar product for you, but today I'm just going to keep it simple, jump into our most popular, which is our pad magnet. Now within our pad magnets, we have two options. Three options, but two as far as non-personalized, which is our peel and stick, and our personalized, which is our house top and our rectangular card top. I'm going to use our rectangular card top as our example today, but essentially any of the steps moving forward for any of the personalized products will be very similar. When you select your product type, you'll get a gallery of all of our different designs. Within our calendar pad options, you're going to have 14 different designs. If you go with our partial magnets or our full magnets, you will get in upwards of 100 in those categories. So have fun finding the right design for you. Today, since I'm a big fan of food, I'm going to go with the family favorite recipes. And of course, if you wanted to look into any additional pages, you could click this, view additional images and allow you to kind of scroll through what's in store on each of these products. So seeing how I know what I want, I'm going to go in and choose this. And here we go. This is where I'm essentially going to choose the number of calendar pads I'm going to need. We're going to adjust the quantities in multiples of 100 here. People get a little hung up here sometimes, so the pro tip, if you want 200, just make sure that this is 2 and not 200. Otherwise, we're going to print and ship 20,000 for you, which is not very typical. So we're going to go with 200 calendar pads, and we're going to start customizing. Now, another step here, we have a self-serve, which is our design online, and a full serve, which is a we design it for you option. Just to reiterate some of the benefits I mentioned earlier with our designing via our online editor, you're going to get it a little faster, you're going to get a real-time proof, and you're going to avoid some potential art fees that come along with the we design it for you. We will have another video describing the different options under We Design It For You and how to take advantage of our custom art services. But for the sake of this video, we're going to move forward with the design online and move into the online editor. Our first point of business in the editor is to select our layout. We have 10 different options or templates for you to choose from. Some that feature a headshot, some that feature a headshot and logo, some that feature just a logo, and some that have extra wide photos for teams. We also have a upload your own art template that allows customers with finished art to just drop in their business card or any correctly sized designs right into the editor. For today's tutorial, I'm going to choose one that has a headshot and a logo. And I am going to pick this one. I like it because it's a nice large logo and a nice large headshot. So again, if you choose any of these, the right options are going to correspond to whatever template you use. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the logo. So as you'll see, I've already uploaded some files to my asset library. To upload them, just find them on your desktop or somewhere on your machine and double click on them, or you could highlight it and hit insert. We have a variety of other videos that show you how to manipulate logos and photos within the editor. But for the most part, if you're able to do that, you're getting an A+ here. So now that we have our logo within the logo field, we're going to go and I'm going to upload my headshot. So we're going to click on the drop down here and select image. I'm going to find my headshot on my computer and open it. So our editor is going to size this for the box here. So if we wanted to make the headshot a little bigger or move it around within that box, you have complete control to do so. And when everything looks good, you'll just hit the green check box and boom, you're done. And then we'll take our time going down the list here. Now, what's important when you're filling out these different fields, we have placeholder text here for you. So we're going to call out cell and email and address. But if you wanted to use any of these fields for anything, you can do so. So if I didn't really want to put in an address, but I wanted to put my tagline, I could certainly do that here. And so here's just an example of doing that. So just kind of using the fields to work for you. So if I didn't really want to put my email address here, but I wanted to put my office number, nothing stopping me from doing that. It's all about making this design yours. And then lastly, we have the option for 3 symbols. So if you wanted to showcase that, you have, if you have to feature an equal housing opportunity logo, or if you need to, display that you're available on Facebook or anything like that, we have a number of symbols here at the ready for you. So you just open that up, click symbols, and let's see if we could find at the bottom, we have all of our social media options. So you just double click that. And again, if you only have 2 or you have 0, you just leave them blank. When you get to the next screen, that placeholder text and this unused symbol will fall off your design and you'll be able to approve it as is. So before I move on, I always like to take a look and make sure that I don't have any typos, that everything is essentially looking the way I want it to. If I had any changes, this is my time to do it. Of course, we could always go back when we get to the approval step, but now that everything's looking good to me, I'm going to move forward into the approval step. So on our approval step, it's basically going to confirm everything that I did on the previous page. So I have all my information, I have everything spelled correctly, I have my cell, my office, and I have my tagline. Again, I didn't really enter anything into this field, and therefore it didn't print anything, and I didn't upload a 3rd symbol, so it didn't print anything. It's whatever you want to put on into the template, you're going to confirm it all here. And what's important on this step is that whatever you see is what we're going to print. So if there's anything that's looking a little funky, or if you have questions about things, give us a call, shoot us an email, because as soon as you place your order, a majority of these products go right into production, and it's really rare that we could catch them once an order has been placed. So if you do have any questions at the step, feel free to give us a call. The number is going to be at the end of this tutorial. So once everything's looking good, I can select that I approve the design and add it to cart. And that's it. That's essentially how you customize a calendar within our online editor. Of course, don't forget to accessorize your orders with some envelopes, inserts, or sealers. They all ride for free with your $12.95 flat rate shipping. And of course, if you have any questions, never hesitate to give us a call. 800-789-6247 or send us an email at info@houseofmagnets.com. Thanks again for watching. If you have any other questions or want to take a look at any of our other videos, feel free to click on any of the related videos below.